We're looking at question 72 on the AP Statistics Midterm Review Packet, and in this one we're given a scenario. A stack of 4 cards contains 2 red and 2 black cards. I select 2 cards one at a time and do not, notice that italicized word, not, replace the first card selected before selecting the second card. Now there's 2 events. Event A, the first card is selected as red, and event B is the second card selected as red. What do we know about these 2 events? And you can see if you read choices A through E, a lot of it deals with the idea of independent or disjoint. And so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of focus on that whole do not replace the first card. That phrase, do not replace, means they are not independent. The probability will change after the first card is selected, because if I don't replace out of 4 cards, I have a 1 out of 4 chance to draw on the first card, but now if I don't replace and I put it to the side, I have a 1 out of 3 chance. So therefore they are not independent. Which means I can go through my choices and go, okay, I know that it can't be A and I know it can't be C because those are saying they are independent, and it can't be E because that's also saying it's independent. So I can go ahead and cross those choices out. I cross out A, C, and E, which means now I have to deal with choices B and D. Now the second part is focus on what you're given. You're given A is that the first card is red and B is that the second card is red. Those are not disjoint. What that means is they are not mutually exclusive. Both cards being selected are red, and so therefore they are not disjoint. They are both red. A deals with the red card and B deals with the red card. So there is overlapping with the color red there, so they are not disjoint. So by first focusing on independent, what that did is allow me to eliminate 3 out of the 5 choices. So now I have a 50-50 chance of guessing. And so now I have to figure out, okay, are they not disjoint, which means not mutually exclusive, or are they disjoint, which means mutually exclusive? And so I have to see, is there any overlapping between them? In this case, both cards being selected are red. That is overlapping. So therefore, the answer for this one is going to be option D, not independent and not disjoint.